and welcome to the Novalis cooking show. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken curry. Now, this curry is very easy to make and it only takes 10 minutes to cook. So let's start with the ingredients. You will need 2 pieces of chicken, 1 onion, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 jar of curry paste, some ginger and 200 grams of rice. Now, let's start with the cooking. First, boil the water. Then, chop the chicken and the onion. Next, fry the chicken and the onion in a pan with some oil. After that, pour the curry paste and the coconut milk. Then stir all the ingredients together. Next, put the rice into the water and boil for 10 minutes. After that, grate the ginger. Then drain the rice. Next, put the rice onto a plate. After that, put the curry sauce on top of the rice. Finally, put the ginger on top of the curry. And that's it! An easy chicken curry. Delicious!